Missed filing your taxes? You're not alone, but ignoring it can turn into a serious problem fast. Not filing doesn't mean you're off the hook. The IRS still expects a return, even if you think you don't owe much. The moment you miss the deadline, penalties can start. This is called the failure to file penalty. That penalty grows every month the return isn't filed. Waiting even a few months can cost you real money. On top of penalties, interest is added automatically. You're charged interest on the balance every single month. Even if you can't pay right now, not filing makes things worse. Filing late is usually better than not filing at all. If you were owed a refund, you could lose it. After a few years, unclaimed refunds disappear. If taxes are owed and ignored, the IRS can take action. That can include garnishing part of your paycheck. In more serious cases, bank accounts can be frozen. This usually happens after long periods of ignoring notices. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to fix. Penalties grow, interest compounds, and options shrink. Here's the good news. Fixing a late return is usually easier than people expect. If money basics like this help you, subscribe for more 3-minute money lessons. See the full 3-minute tutorial in the related video.